An important event for people to realize that Israel is a home to all different types of people. You know, there's an Armenian quarter there, and we're acknowledging that here, and we're acknowledging that Israel isn't an issue that only Jews need to be concerned about, but anyone that cares about the environment, anyone that cares about feminism, anyone that cares about diversity. Israel is an amazing place that has all of that, so we hope to have more and more people support us the way that the Armenian Student Association has.
והירח היה מלא כל הלילה, וזה משאיר אותי למעלה. תכתוב על 4 קירות ברגע ורגע, גל של הזיות בטבע מאבד.
We're both very ancient cultures.
We're both very ancient cultures.
We love cultures.
Very cool.
Cultures. We're very cultural. We share much more than we can trust.
אמצע הלילה בכפר, מדליק עוד סיגריה לפני מעצר. אני שומר ומואזין שר מרמאללה. בין אנשים
Say it again?
Armenian students and Israeli students who love each other. We're
Very
here
good.
to support each other and grow.
Very nice. Love it.
This is a traditional Armenian song. You guys know any songs?
Oh.
Damn. I don't know any.
Traditional Armenian song, okay.
I am, yes. Hi, Yesu. Bach kotav